if you're a new trader, well, this video is for you, because I'm gonna show you guys how to become profitable trader in 6 to 1 year. Basically, everything I'm gonna tell you guys, I wish someone should have told me back when I first started trading, because I make a lot of mistakes. It took me a couple of years, close to 2 years, before I finally figured it out. Finally! But you guys have someone, which is me, so please subscribe, punch a like button, comment down below, and let's get straight into it. As a new trader, the first thing you want to do is you want to know the market. There's no rush. Just try to, the more you take your time, I promise you, you're gonna be better off than the people that are actually rushing it. Because most traders join the forex market based on what they see on Instagram, YouTube, seeing all this flashy lifestyle. So they don't try to understand the market first. They just go and look, just pick on what is forex and what is that, and jump back, right? And they're gonna make a bunch of mistakes and gonna come back. So my best advice as a new trader is try to understand the markets, right? Know the markets, understand what is base currency, quote currency, understand spread, understand slippage, understand your leverage, understand currency, understand, just try to know the markets, right? Understand when to trade, when not to trade, your time to trade. Just understand the market. So that's the main number one, right? The first thing you have to do, try to know the market, right? Next thing is your style. How do you want to trade, right? You have scalping, you have day trading, you have swing trading, right? Most traders will say, oh, I'm busy, I have a job, so I'm gonna trade during the New York section, which they probably don't want to trade during the New York section, right? So, but they have to force themselves to trade during New York section. That's a lot of issue. Everybody have their own issue. But my best advice to trader is, the best style to trade is start with swing trading. Yes, you want to go with swing trading. If you search it up or something, you're gonna see that 80% of traders day trade and scalp, 20% maybe swing. And if you look closely, you're gonna see most people that succeed in trading or forex is swing traders, right? I know swing trading have its flaw, you have its disadvantage. You all trade for a really long time, you've been in a drawdown for a really long time. Even me, I swing trade, and sometimes I might trade for a month or 2 months, right? I don't care, because it's so less stressful and I make my profit. It's so simple. So I would advise you to go with swing trading, and it's so easy for you to convert from swing trading to scalping or day trading, right? So first thing, go with swing trading, because you're just a new trader. If you go with day trading, everything move quickly, everything move fast. If you go scalper, even faster. So your emotion is just everywhere, right? You want to go slow, where it's like, okay, fine, I can understand my emotion easy and easy and easy without blowing my account. Or you can still blow your account, but you're gonna understand way faster than going with day trading and scalping, which is, you don't even understand yourself yet. You're a new trader, you don't understand yourself yet. You want to try to understand yourself first before you start doing this. You can later in life, or after 2-3 years, you can switch to those, or you can do those on the side, which I do right now. I swing trade, I trade during New York section, which is scalp, and I day trade. But my swing trading is my main account. The next one you want to learn about is your psychology, right? You want to learn about psychology. But the best way you're gonna ever learn about psychology is you have to feel it before you understand about it. But you always have to be prepared first, right? I would say watch your videos about it, right? Everything is free nowadays. Even to learn forex, understand the market, you can go on Baby Pips. Yeah, Baby Pips, they have a whole course for you guys. You can learn everything. Psychology too is on Baby Pips, or you can watch more videos about it. YouTube videos, a lot of YouTube videos about psychology. So you want to understand about those things, analyze the markets, right? Which is, you want to understand about fundamental, technical, sentiment. So even if you're a fundamental trader, you still have to understand about technical analysis, right? So, and even if you're technical analysis, you still need fundamental, right? So basically you need to understand those three things before you even start trading. Understand them, understand when news is coming out, how the news is going to affect the market, because a news can comes with high slippage. You can understand how the spread is, you know, you need to understand those three main things, right? Fundamental, technical analysis. You're going to learn a lot from those three alone. You want to find a broker. You want to find a broker that have at least 10 years or been in the industry for more than 10 years, and you want to find a regulated and licensed broker. There's a lot of brokers out there. You have IG, you have Forex, you have there's a lot, right? But you want to use a broker that been in the system for a long time and regulated and licensed broker, right? So those are brokers you want to use. It's not like you're going to start putting money right away into it, but you just want to familiar yourself with a broker, right? A demo account. So you're not going to use this demo account. What I feel like is demo account is not for like, oh, I want to actually trade or stuff like that. I don't think demo account is for that. I feel like demo account, you should use it to understand how to take profits, buy stop, sell limit, buy limits. You want to understand how to close half of your trade. You just want to understand everything on MT4 basically, right? How to do this, how to do it, or maybe you trade on your PC or something. So you just want to understand all the basic about demo accounts and stuff like that, right? Practice. You want to practice, you want to back test, right? So this is where I said swing trading is the best, right? Because if you're a day trader, you're a scalper. Even if you day trade 2 currency pair, do you know how many times you have to backtest? Maybe 5,000-10,000 times. You have to backtest a whole 10 years or 5 years before you even understand the market. If you're a scalper, well, guess what? You gotta backtest more than 10,000-20,000 times, which gonna take you a longer time period. And sometimes you get tired. But that's why I said swing trading. Because when you swing trade, and to backtest it is very easy. You can choose at least, because you're a new trader right now, right? Choose from 1 to 5. As time goes, you add more. And those 5 is you can choose the major currency pair, which I'll probably put somewhere around there. Just choose the major currency pair. If you understand those, there's other currency pair you're probably going to understand that. Even though most of the time I tell traders that you have to understand each currency pair individually by themselves, because you get a better knowledge about the currency pair. I see a lot of traders say all currency pair move the same, but for me, I would just understand them separately so you can understand how to trade them, right? So that's why I said swing trading. It's so easy to backtest. You don't need to backtest up to 1,000 times. One pair you can backtest 100 times if you backtest it correctly, and 100 trades is probably 100 to 200 or 500 trades will probably enough for one pair, and you're gonna understand a lot about that pair. And that 100 trades will probably take you around 2 years, right? 2 to 3 years, right? Because when you swing trade, you're not gonna have that much data. You're not gonna have that much history, because if you go all the way back and try to backtest it, you're not gonna have that much of history, right? Maybe we want to start from like 20 to 18 to 19, right? Because if you go below that, you're not gonna have that much of history. You're just gonna get yourself confused. So that's why I say swing trading is so easy to backtest and it's so easy to trade. If you wanna have a plan, because now is where things start getting serious, right? You want to have a plan. Write down your plan. You want to write down how you're going to approach the market. Since you already have your style, you already have everything, so to make your plan is kind of easy, but sometimes people still get it complicated. So you want to make a plan on how you're going to trade, right? When you're going to trade, right? You want to write down your style of trading, when I'm going to get out, when I'm going to stay in, what if I see this, right? And that all you're going to get that from your back testing, right? So back testing, that's where you're going to get all your answer: when to trade, when not to trade, when to get out of the trade, when to put stop loss, when to put stop loss to break even. You want to write down all on your book, right? And the other side of the book, or if you have another book, you can write down your plan about emotion. Let's say fear of missing out. Maybe you can write down, oh, if I feel fear of missing out, I should stop trading, I should step out, or I should, clear the chat and give myself an hour and come back, so you just want to do all those. And the next one is, if you have your plan set, Now you want to open a live account, which is where things can start getting serious. Open a live account, but you do not want to go ahead and just deposit 1 million or deposit. Damn, if you have 1 million, that's crazy. Sheesh. But you want to deposit like $100, right? Just so you know how to manage your trades. And you can also write your risk management. I forgot to talk about that. Write your risk management on your plan, how much you want to risk and stuff like that. So those are things that you want to write. You can search it up and do a research about it, how to create a plan and everything, so you can, you know, you can be ready, right? But if you don't have the $100, whatever you have, just put it in. But I would say do not go above $100 unless you're kind of extremely rich. Then you can go above $100. Whatever you want to put, just put money that, because I've seen a lot of people say put money that you don't want to lose. Like but every single money I put in an account, I don't want to lose it. What you mean? But just put money that you feel comfortable with, right? And just so you can, you know, try it out. Now you're gonna feel the emotion, because even though you're ready, you already have a plan for it. You're gonna feel emotion. You're gonna feel everything, right? And that's when everything starts. It's test the skill, because now you have opened a live account. Now it's time to test the skill of what you have learned, your knowledge, and now is the time to test those and see if what you have learned, just to see your improvement. And if you blow an account, simple, you know. Now you understand why you blow the account. That's all you have to do. Understand why you blow the account and go again and try to fix why you blow the account. But I promise you, the only way you're gonna probably blow your account is probably most of the time, 90% of the time, emotion, right? Emotion is the reason why most people blow the account. But if you already have a plan for it, all you have to do is, okay, fine. I blew my account because of I revenge trade, right? Maybe I was trading, I just keep taking loss upon loss upon loss upon loss, and I revenge trade, right? Then all you have to do is how to stop the revenge trade. You write it down, and the next thing you have to do is, why I keep losing? Was I following my plan? Was I following what I learned from my back testing? And look at it, because you have to. There's no. Every single trade we lose is that there's always a reason, right? But anyway, guys, I wish you follow this plan, and I hope it helps you. Please subscribe, punch your likes button, comment down below, and peace out.